Welcome to Simpson Bay Lagoon in St. Maarten in March of 2023. Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Oakland Travel, and we are on a shore excursion from the Celebrity Beyond, doing a tour of St. Maarten. We're currently on the Dutch side of the island, right next to the Princess Juliana Airport, Simpson Bay Lagoon, and spending a couple of hours on this boat. Really cool, relaxing boat tour. As you can see, this is a nice big two-story boat. There's some people below us down on the lower deck because I guess they didn't want to be out in the direct sun or just whatever. And everybody else is up here kind of enjoying the breeze. Alcoholic beverages are going. There's some music playing. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. March 2023, perfect time of the year to go cruising because you're before hurricane season, and weather down here is usually pretty good. And so it's just kind of the absolute perfect day out on the water and close to the airport. So the Princess Juliana Airport is that one that, if you'd ever seen the YouTube videos before where the big old 747 is coming down and all the people are on the beach and the jet lands right above their head and all that kind of stuff, that's here at St. Maarten at that airport. I don't know that that happens too much anymore because a lot of those big 747s, I don't know if they still fly here, but we were on the other side of the airport from where that beach area is. So we're kind of over in Simpson Bay Lagoon, and just a very nice, casual, relaxing boat ride. And then after this, we jump on a bus and head over to the French side of the island for a little while before coming back to the Celebrity Beyond.